when you're doing back bends, you want to stretch your front abdomen, your side abdomen, your latissimus, your quadratus lumborum equally when you go in a back bend. To prepare for that, you want the Yogveda strap on your hip, and then equally from your sacral bone, pull stretch backwards. And warm up in this way before you go in your back bends. Now, why should you stretch your front, your side, your back, the latissimus, quadratus, and the spine in general when you go in a back bend? For two main reasons. If you don't do that, first, if you go in a back bend without stretching equally, you will put a lot of pressure on your lumbar spine, and compression, get a pain in your back and in your neck and get a headache, which is not good. Second is you want to stretch your vagus nerve, which starts in the back of your brain stem and then moves through many organs of your body, and it's responsible for the parasympathetic nervous system. If you don't do that in a back bend, if you don't open the nerve and go back, your ability to switch from sympathetic to parasympathetic will be hindered. Let's go to the step 2. Now here you want to come a bit closer. The strap is slightly different now. The Yogveda straps work in many different ways. Stretch back, equal, and up. Try to just get this movement correct first.